Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to call a person with voice commands. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can call a person with voice commands. So let us get started. First of all, head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find accessibility. Tap on it. Now scroll down till you see voice control. It's under physical and motor. Tap on it and enable voice control. Now you can do this with Siri too. So let us set back over and then long press on your power button if you have enabled the long press on the power button to enable Siri option. And just enable Siri and tell Siri to call someone from your contacts. So I'll do that right now. Hey Siri, call Baba. Now, as you can see right there, I just made Siri call my Baba. And yeah, that is basically how you make someone call with your voice control. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.